it's Cindy, your Instructional Technology Librarian. Today I'm going to show you 3 reasons why you should be using OneDrive. Number 1. You can access your files from anywhere, online or offline. Has this ever happened to you? You find that you have a free half hour to work on a report, but you forgot that you left your file on your computer at home? You don't have the time to go home and email out the file, and you don't remember enough of the original to keep working on it. It's super annoying. However, if you save your files through OneDrive, you don't have to worry about that. Saving files through OneDrive gives you access to them no matter where you are or what device you're using. If you're using a browser, just go to OneDrive.com and log in or pull up the app on your Microsoft 10 computer or your smartphone. You can even keep working when you're offline. Just make sure you jump online eventually so OneDrive can automatically save your work. Number 2. Sharing and collaborating have never been easier. Let's say you're working on a presentation with a group. How are you going to send files to each other, especially really big video or Photoshop files? How do you make sure you have the most updated versions? How do you loop in another person that didn't start at the same time as the rest of you? OneDrive solves this problem through its innovative sharing system. You can either share with people by typing in their email or sending them a link and modifying the permissions so that they can view, edit, or add to the file or folder. Likewise, if you want to create a folder for a specific group or project, all you have to do is add one and give everyone in the group access to it. That way, everyone can see who's doing what, when things were updated, and what is left to do. Number 3. You don't have to worry about losing your files or using up computer space. Here's a nightmare scenario. It's 3 a.m. the day you've got a paper due, and you're so close to done. All you have to do is format the citations and print it out. Then the worst happens. Your computer dies, blue screen of death and everything. Do you try to start again? Do you ask for an extension? Or do you just take 15 minutes and have a good cry? With OneDrive, that's not a problem. When you save your files through OneDrive, they are automatically stored and backed up on the cloud. If your computer dies, your work remains, and you can just finish the project on another computer or even your phone. That's because OneDrive doesn't use your computer to save files, which also frees up space on your computer. So make sure you're using OneDrive. As a Midway student, faculty, or staff member, it's free for you and connects with Office 365, giving you access to Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. For peace of mind, ease of use, and improved collaboration, it's the best tool you have. Got any more questions? Feel free to watch the following links or email the help desk at help@midway.edu or the center at thecenter@midway.edu. And have a great day!